Okay, welcome John Oliver to the step number 1 of the folding chair, material layout. So you're going to be referencing this handout right here, which shows you a 4-part A, which are the legs, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And the other smaller part, which is part B, which is also the there's also 4 of those as well. And those are a little bit more difficult to see, but they are 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we're going to do the material layout. So when you are ready, you're going to come over to this rack up here in the lumber rack, and you're going to find the red oak right here, which is, there's going to be a little bit more of that for you to see. So we're looking to find the boards that are approximately 6 to 7 inches. So pull one of those out, or possibly 2, depending on how much you need. And you're going to bring them back to your bench, and you're going to lay them out, and you're going to get a pencil. Okay, so here I have these sort of laid out for you to understand. So we've got, there's the part A's, and the part A is eventually they're going to be 50 millimeters finished, but we're going to cut them to 56 millimeters rough, and they're going to be a finished length of 510 millimeters, but we're going to add an extra 20 millimeters rather, for machining process, which you'll learn about later. Okay, so I got four part base. Okay, so 1, 2, and because you're still learning all the machining process, we're going to put them on 2 different boards because it'll make machining a little bit easier. So there we go. I'm accommodating 4 part A's, and then we're also going to add part B because this is a very small piece to be machining, so we're going to add it to the whole process, and that final length is going to be, going a little bit too fast here. Here we have part B. There's going to be 4 of them, finished at 250 millimeters in length, but we're going to cut them to add an extra 10 millimeters in for rough machining. Okay, so there we go. We have 4 of those, so we know we're going to have, again, 4 part B's and 4 part A's, and you're going to show me this. Really all you need to do is, in the beginning here, is when you get your material, you're going to get a tape measure, and you're going to come up to the edge like so, and I've already told you this, that you need a length of 790 millimeters. Right, so there we have 800, there is 90, so there's 700, up 790. I make a mark there, and because this isn't super accurate, we make a mark like so. And then we need 2 of those, so I bring up another one like that, and I've got 2 pieces. And then you can call me over, and we can discuss to make sure you've got the right length, and then you are ready to proceed to the radial arm saw, where you will see me at the next step. Bye.